In 2017, my friend Wale was visiting me in another part of Lagos and had a medical emergency. We went to the hospital to get care, and on the attender's advice, he was able to use my health insurance card to access care. We tried at two different hospitals, and the experience was the same. They only made me sign a blank claims form and treated him without any validation. When we asked how this was possible, they said the health insurance guys can't check and they will pay anyway. We are as shocked as you are right now. And we commissioned a research into the health insurance space and discovered that there are even deeper problems. Beyond the identity fraud, the industry is plagued by inefficient and manual processes. The interaction between the HMOs and the hospital was broken, and the data and technology required to scale was not just available. At the time, health insurance companies were losing 30% of their revenue to fraud of different kinds. And shockingly, they were only able to renew 10% of their retail customers year on year. To cap it on, and this is perhaps the biggest problem, health insurance companies were struggling to register and collect payment from individuals who are not in paid employment. The plans were not just accessible and affordable to the average person on the street. As a result of all this, less than 5% of the 200 million people who live in Nigeria have access to health insurance today. And 98% of this number are registered by their employers. Health insurance companies simply do risk by grouping employees together, and the huge retail space is still largely untapped. We developed Nucleus as a solution to all of this, and it's a simple software that equips health insurance companies with the capacity to interact with hospitals and enrollees on a single platform. Health insurance companies who use us today can now deliver care and manage risk while reducing cost and expanding services. Our solution completely automates health insurance operations, and we enable them capture biodata for individuals on the go. We enable enrollee validation at hospital location, and people like Wale can no longer use another person's card to access care today. We also ensure that they don't pay more than they should by ensuring that we force claims to pre-agreed tariff. And we now use artificial intelligence to ensure that hospitals cannot bill for additional services that do not match the diagnosis. All of this we deliver in a single and connected platform to ensure data exchange on the go. Now that the rates are available, we have built extensive APIs to integrate with large retail and distribution partners. One of our key partners is OPay, and we now distribute health insurance products through a network of more than 2,000 agents in Lagos and Oyo State. Finally, we are now in the pilot phase of our Pay Small Small plan that enables consumers pay for health insurance in monthly installment, and they can even get a loan from us. This is the first time credit has been offered for insurance in Nigeria, and we are proud to be disrupting the industry and dramatically expanding coverage. Our business model is split into two primary revenue streams. We charge health insurance companies a one-off deployment fee of an average of $10,000, and they also pay a maintenance fee of 20 cents on each of the lives managed on the system. We also charge a commission of 5% on every new retail life that we sell via our API, and we are currently generating about $17,000 in revenue every month. In less than 2 years, we have become one of the largest players in the market. We serve 8 of the larger HMOs in Nigeria and collectively cover for more than 700,000 lives. This represents nearly 21% of the current market. With our current pipeline, we will soon be the undisputed market leader with more than 30% of the industry standardizing on our platform. We have recently expanded to Ghana, and we are rolling out with our first health insurance company there. Of Nigeria's 200 million people, less than 5% of the population currently have health insurance, so there's massive opportunity. Using our agent network, our goal is to reach 40% penetration over the next 3 years. That means 80 million people in the health insurance net in Nigeria alone. We have recently partnered with Airtel to provide a first of its kind USSD enrollment across the country, and this will even bring us closer to the people. This partnership will provide 180,000 touch points across the country and potentially add over 20 million people to the insurance net annually. We are also very excited to announce that we are the first technology company licensed in Nigeria by the industry regulator for the health insurance industry. The company is managed by experienced professionals with varied backgrounds across insurance, finance, and technology. I have experience working in the largest insurance company in the world, AXA, and 2 of the biggest banks in Nigeria, GT Bank and Access Bank, and gained valuable experience and relationship responsible for the significant traction that we have seen since we launched. My co-founders have similar experiences gathered at some of the biggest and most innovative companies in Africa and in Europe. If you know of an health insurance company that would like to reduce fraudulent claims by at least 30% and reach a vastly larger new market of customers through our direct enrollment, then please come see us afterwards. If you know of mobile networks or other retail partners that would like to join our ecosystem, please connect with us. Finally, if you're an investor that shares our vision for universal access to insurance and would like to help fuel this rocket ship, then please see us afterwards to discuss our $1 million funding round. Thank you.